Hey guys, I wanted to go through your GeoGebra assignment with you today and give you a little bit of an idea of what you need to do and what is expected for each of your assignments. So you should have a GeoGebra IM 6.1.10 practice bases and heights of triangles should be assigned to you already in Classroom, so you should be able to open this assignment up from Classroom. You do not have to open it up in Kami. You just need to do the work here on GeoGebra. So let me go through. The first one says, for each triangle, a base is labeled. Use the segment tool to draw a line segment that shows its corresponding height. So let me go down here. Here's your base tool right here. Here's your base right here. On this one, the base is labeled for this one. And on this is the base. So where it says B, that's where your base is. Now you need to use this tool up here, the segment tool, to draw a line from the base to show where your height is. So that's the expectation for that problem. Then you're going to come down to the next one. Select all triangles that have an area of 8 square units. So for these 5 triangles, you're going to need to find base times height divided by 2. Then you're going to come down here. It says check all that apply, so that means there's probably more than one that meet those expectations. Next assignment, it says check your answer so you can see if you're right. And then down here, you're going to need to type something in here explaining how you know that those triangles have that area. Next problem says find the area of the triangle, show or explain your reasoning. So if you go down here, I'm going to only show part of the triangle because I want to show the tools at the top as well. So here's your triangle. You've got to figure out where's the base, where's the height. Remember, you need to have that right angle between the base and the height. The right angle is perpendicular, shows perpendicular. The base and the height need to be perpendicular. Then the other part of that problem says show or explain your reasoning. So you're going to need to type or use your stylus to tell me why you knew you got the answer you did. Sorry, I got to scroll down. Then the next problem. Can side D be the base for this triangle? So here's side D. It's already labeled for you. Can side D be the base for this triangle? If so, which length would be the corresponding height? Would it be E, F, or G? But if D cannot be the base, you have to explain why. And you're going to type your answer right on this line here. Next problem. Find the area of this shape, show or explain your reasoning. Now, you can either use the segment key or segment tool, or you can use your stylus. Do not use your finger, please, because it makes too fat of a line and I can't understand or read what you're saying. Then it also says after you find the area of the shape, you need to show or explain your reasoning. How did you find the area? What did you do? On the grid, sketch two different parallelograms that have equal area. Label the base and height of each and explain how you know the areas are the same. So you may either use the segment tool, you can do the triangle tool, you can do the stylus to explain or to label, or you may use your keyboard to type in your explanation. When you're done with that, this is what mine shows, but yours shows different because you're going to have a turn-in key at the bottom. So when you're done, hit that turn-in button and move on to the next section of your assignment. Thanks, guys. Love you. I'll see you in the building tomorrow.